Hi there everyone. With this lesson I will show you how to back out of a parking lot space. See, there's a car parked in front of me and I need to back up out of the space and then drive to the left. So here we go. The car's already started, so now I place my right foot on the brake, release my parking brake, select reverse. Now before I move, I have to check everywhere, make sure it's safe to back up, and it is. So I hold the steering wheel, make sure the wheels are straight while exiting, and when the dash of the vehicle here is at the end of the yellow line here, then I start turning my wheels to the right. So I just keep on checking. Now I can start turning all the way to the right. Just keep checking all around, making sure I'm not gonna back up into anyone. Now I have sufficient room, I stop. Place the gear selector to drive, turn the wheel to the left and start moving. And make sure you keep your car on the right side of the parking lot. Remember, it's wide enough for two cars, so you leave sufficient room so a car could get by you on the left. Now, I'm gonna turn to the right. So I signal right, I do some checking to the left, and now I start turning to the right. So I'm exiting the parking lot and I'm gonna make a right turn here. Put the signal on and check to the left, and it's safe, so I proceed. Now I need to make a left turn at the lights. It's still green, so I put my left signal on, enter the intersection. This car is out of the way, so now I can make my left turn and I end up in this lane, which is called the passing lane. Then I speed up, signal to the right, mirror blind spot, then move to the right if it's safe to do so. Cancel the signal. Now the speed here is 40, I'm doing about 45, so I'm just gonna back off the gas pedal. So now I'm on 40. Now I intend to go straight, but as you can see, there's a yellow sign that suggests that this lane is going to end. So I need to get out because I'm not making a right turn. So I signal left, mirror, blind spot, move over to the passing lane or the through lane, cancel the signal. Lights are still green, check left, right, and proceed. Again, the speed is 40 and I'm in the middle of my lane. Check left, right, it's an intersection. As usual, if my video dies, please still like and subscribe, because I'm sure you're learning something. Alright, I'd appreciate that. Okay, next street, making a right turn, and this is a crosswalk here. You can see it's flashing and there's someone in a wheelchair, a motorized wheelchair. So I have to make sure he crosses completely. Check left, right, then I can turn into the street. Now this guy on the motorized wheelchair, I have to pass him, so I have to signal, check mirror and shoulder, pass him, then signal to the right to get back to the right side of the roadway. Okay, we're making a left turn. No, it's a right turn, so I signal right. I don't have to stop because there's no stop sign. And then I'm gonna make a left turn into this parking lot. So I place my left signal on, check my mirror and over my left shoulder, turning on the right side of the parking lot. And now I'm gonna be looking for a parking space, but this time I will be backing into a parking space in this parking lot. I'm gonna go to the right here. So I signal to the right, and then I'm gonna be looking for a parking spot. Alright, so I know I'm gonna back in on the right, so I may as well put my right signal on. And I'm in the middle of the parking lot, and I'm gonna back into the parking space beside this white car. So I keep going until the back bumper of my vehicle is in the middle of the parking space that this guy is in. So I just keep going straight right there. Place the gear selector to reverse, get all my turns into the right, and then all I have to do is keep checking like crazy. Now hopefully I don't hit this guy's car. So anyway, I keep checking, and then my car will become straight right there. But I'm a bit too close to the yellow line, so I want to be more over to the right. So what I'll do is just keep going out like this, then straight the wheel, or turn the wheel all the way to the left until it's straight. Then there it is, straight as a clock. And then all I have to do now is back up into the parking space. And you do this slowly and just keep checking, and I can correct the steering. Alright, that's good. Just gonna keep backing in, and it's perfectly straight. There. Apply the parking brake. Place the gear selector to park. And that's it. Voila, we're done. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.